everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about Uzalo. It was long time reported that Gabsile and Qhabanga are leaving the show. Qhabanga has killed Gabsile after he learned that she was behind Nomcebo and Kehla's death. Yes guys, he managed to lie to the congregation and the police that Gabsile killed herself, but Sibonelo is not buying that story because his mother was willing to confess and tell everyone her sins. Why would she change her mind and kill herself instead? As Qhabanga is insisting they bury an empty coffin, Sibonelo wants to find his mother's body first, but unfortunately he have no one on his side. Sibonelo promised to avenge for his mother's death, and he is sure that Qhabanga have something to do with it. When Qhabanga discovered that Sibonelo is digging for answers and he is very close to the truth, he would distract him by pressing murder charges against him as he was working hand in hand with Gabsile. I'm assuming guys that Sibonelo will be Qhabanga's exit ticket as he wants to kill him for killing Gabsile. Guys, that is all I have for today. If you have a different opinion, please comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much guys for choosing this channel. See you on my next upload. Bye.